and welcome to HCN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. Cops move swiftly after doctors file an ultimatum of 2 days to arrest the accused culprits. Now, Goa police on late Monday evening managed to arrest 3 persons in connection with the assault on a doctor at a private hospital. Meanwhile, by evening today, the main accused, that is Minesh Narvekar, himself surrendered before the Pororim police station. Now, the Goa police on late Monday evening managed to arrest 3 persons in connection with the assault on a doctor at a private hospital. The police arrested 3 men, that is Roshir Salgaonkar, 27 years old, Krishna Salvo Naik, 32-year-old, and Rohil Salgaonkar, 32-year-old, all living in Pororim area, were arrested under stringent Goa Medicare Act of 2013. They were arrested hours after the protest by Indian Medical Association's Goa unit. The police spokesman said that 3 persons were arrested.
माझे कडेन कितें जालां म्हणजे कित्या खातीर हें सगळें जालां तेजेर हांव सांगपाक सोदतां. बरे भशेन काबार करुया आमच्या घरांत कोण मेला ते टायमार तेणें सांगलें आय वील किल हिम. सो म्हाका थ्रेटन टू किल हेंय म्हाजे सायडीच्यान पर्वरी पुलीस स्टेशनान रेजिस्टर करपाचें. हांव पर्वरी पुलीस स्टेशन गोवा पुलिसाक आनी गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाक फूल सपोर्ट करता हें इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करपाक आनी हांव आतां वयता आनी सरेंडर करता. इतलेंच हांव सांगपाक सोदतां. आनी फक्त आनी एक लास्ट सांगपाक सोदतां की हांव पळोवन लिपोवन रावंक नासलो. हांवें एंटीसेप्टरी बेल अप्लाय केलेली जो म्हाजो रायट आसा. प्लस म्हाका इंटरीम रिलीफ मेळसर हांव रावलोलो. ती इंटरीम रिलीफ घेवन हांव PI वचून गोवा पुलिसाक कॉपरेट करतलो आसलो. आतां ती मेळोंक ना त्या खातीर हांव वयता आनी सरेंडर करता.
On 27th August, there was an incident which came to our knowledge regarding assault on a doctor. Immediately at PS Parvarim, an FIR was registered under sections of IPC and also under Goa Medicare Act. Upon investigation, we found that there was one main accused and along with him there were 3 other accused persons. So during investigation, we have arrested 3 accused persons. Those 3 accused persons also have previous criminal involvements, and we are carrying out further investigation in that regard. The main accused, against the main accused also we are investigating, and we will take action against him. It was regarding the death of an infant at a hospital, after which some people had assaulted, the accused persons had assaulted the doctor over there. That was the incident.
Any arrest?
Yes, we have made 3 arrests.
After doctors have pressurized police, then they acted.
No, we are conducting fair investigation, and investigation will be absolutely objective, and we have also reassured the doctors that the investigation will be very fair and objective, and we are doing that.
See, आमचे सगळे प्रॉब्लेम तेच आसा. बेसिकली वेन वी गेले तेन्ना ते कंप्लेन करपाक, दे डीड नॉट नो द एक्ट ओनली. हो एक्ट कसो आसा तांकां पुलिसांक कशें आसा तांकां फक्त ते क्रिमिनल व्हडले व्हडले ते म्हणटा ते रेप हे ते सगळें तांकां पार्ट आसा. हे म्हणटा ते मायनर लॉ अशें तांकां दिसता. सो इज वॉट इज आमकां सांगचें पडलें तांकां. वी हॅव टू टेल दॅट बाबा कितें लॉ तो म्हणून. आनी आमी तेन्ना सुद्दां तांकां सांगलें की इट इज कॉग्नायजेबल लॉ, इट इज नॉन बेलेबल लॉ. म्हणजे तुवें अरेस्ट करूंक जाय ताका आनी ही हॅज टू गो टू द कोर्ट अँड टेक द बेल. पोलीस आपल्याच बॉन्डाचेर पयलीं कशें बारीक सोडे थापटा बिपटा मारली कॉमन मॅनाक तर पोलीस इट सेल्फ कॅन सायन एंड एक 10,000 बॉन्ड दवर आनी तूं वच म्हणून सांगूं येता. बट हियर यू हॅव ही अरेस्टेड, ही रिमेन्स इन द कस्टडी. हे वर्षी आमी घाल्लो क्लॉज भितर की बाबा अंडर मेडिकेअर एक्ट ऑफ 2013, गोवा मेडिकेअर एक्ट ऑफ 2013 त्या अंडर सेक्शन 4च्या अंडर तांकां कर म्हणून. पूण तांकां ताची इम्पॉर्टन्सूच खबर ना. काल मागीर जेन्ना आमची मिटींग जाली तेन्ना आमी सांगलें इट इज नॉट ओन्ली तो मनीस, बरोबर जे आसा न्हय दे आर ऑल्सो इक्वली इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणून तांकांय अरेस्ट कर म्हणून. तेन्ना तांकां मुवमेंट केलो तांचो. अदरवायज दे डीड नॉट ऑल्सो नो दॅट बाबा तांकां धरूंक जाय म्हणून त्या बाकीच्यांक.
Here are some of the inside clips of the discussion between the doctors and the police on Monday at Pororim police station. Take a look.
In
our subdivision,
okay, fine.
this 3 police stations.
Yeah, okay, fine.
This is the first time such unfortunate incident has occurred. And be assured, I as a subdivisional police officer and my officers assure you, आपण आम्ही action घेतले and we will take it to the logical.
Give us a time frame.
The point is that after committing the crime, does it take 72 hours for the police to take action? It's like something.
I 6 hours out of police station. Where the next police station is?
I'm assuring you, the investigations in this case are not going this way they should take it. I am monitoring logically. We will put a logical end.
Another mysterious death was reported in Goa, this time on the coastal side of Kandalin. Mary McNamara, a 66-year-old Irish national, was found dead inside her rented apartment at Kandalin. As per the police, at the time of the incident, the apartment was latched from inside. The police said a British friend of the deceased tried to contact her over a mobile phone. When she did not respond, he sent her husband to check, but as the door was locked from inside, she asked the flat owner to open the door. Another mysterious death was reported in Goa, this time on the coastal side of Kandolim. Mary Gertrude McNamara, 66-year-old Irish national, was found dead in her rented apartment at Kandolim.
One Irish lady was found dead in Candolim in her own room, in her own rented room. Her body was discovered by two of her friends. Information was given to us. We have registered a case of unnatural death. The post-mortem was conducted yesterday. The reports are awaited, and as per the autopsy report and the statements of her friends, we will carry out further investigation in that matter.
ACN also spoke to the Irish writer and journalist Sinead McManus about this Irish lady's death and how crime rates is high in Goa, especially on expats and foreigners. Take a look.
Yes, well, listen, let's not jump to conclusions. I'd only hope that there's nothing mysterious about it and that, maybe it was a natural death. I was very sad to hear this news. I came to know about it last night. And as a fellow Irish lady, I wish I'd known her, as there are not many Irish here in Goa. And, when they do come, we tend to look out for each other and keep an eye on each other and hang out with each other and see each other. So it was very sad to hear that she was also alone when she passed away. I'm glad that her neighbor was looking out for her and that he knew to come out of concern, So just so you know that, when foreigners do come here to Goa, there is, certain groups on Facebook, etc., that they can join. And for example, there's women traveling groups on Facebook, especially for independent or individual ladies who come, and they can join these groups and reach out, the fellow people on the group, they reach out to each other if there's any problems or concerns or anything like that. So, we as travelers, we should come together and look out for each other and make sure that we've got our own contacts here in Goa that can help us if we need any help.
So moving ahead, what do you think? How do you see Goa at the moment? Because the crime rate is really high, especially on tourists and foreigners. Like recently, we have seen 2 deaths of Russians. Then now another Irish lady's death, which still has to be certain what it was. So what do you have to say? Do you think Goa is safe kind of, because as it is known as a touristic destination across the world? Do you think Goa is turning into a haunting place for tourists, or what do you feel on the law and order?
Goa is a worldwide destination. Tourists comes from all over the world, and we're known here in Goa as overall it's a very safe place. For me personally, I have lived here for over a decade, and I have never ever once found myself feeling threatened or unsafe. Really, I haven't. But tourists that has to come here and they have to be responsible for themselves. They have to treat Goa as how they would and behave in a way that they behave when they're at home. They need to keep their guard up and ensure that the people that they're meeting are of good character and of good nature. But as I said, rape and crime and robberies, they happen all over the world. So it just so happens that it makes it worldwide news when it happens here in Goa. But it has to come down to the individual traveling to be under guard and not treat Goa as a playground for any illegal activities.
My last question to you will be, ma'am, is that do you think the law and order is do you think the crime rate should come down, and what do you feel about the law and order in the state?
So I think we also have to look at what's been going on over the last 2 years. COVID has brought the worst out in people. There's been the lack of work, lack of money, health has been affected. There's no income, and I'm sure these things have resulted in frustration and negativity, and which then leads to crime. So I think that what the government needs to do. I think the government always needs to have a reality check. Once a year on what they're going to do for the season ahead. And I think what the government needs to do now, looking at things as they are now, is to make sure that there is work for everybody. Tourism does generate a lot of work opportunities, to make sure there's enough work for everybody, that people are getting their income, and to check on the borders for neighboring states, because a lot of the criminal minded, they tend to come to Goa as they see tourists are vulnerable here. So there's a few things I think that the local government could look at, and I'm sure they are looking at it. But these things are what we could do in order to ensure that crime is down here in Goa.
Finally, the much-awaited news was announced, especially for the theatre lovers and the theatrists. On Monday, Ravindra Bhavan Margaon chairman said that Ravindra Bhavan will open its doors for theatre and other activities from the 1st of September. The entire theatre fraternity was glad. Speaking to HCN exclusively, many of the theatrists said that this is the best news they have heard so far. The artists have passed through difficult times during this pandemic, but looks like it is a return of the good days. Finally, the much-awaited news was announced, especially for the theatre lovers and theatrists. Recently, Ravindra Bhavan Margaon chairman said that Ravindra Bhavan will be open for theatre and other activities from the 1st of September. Now, HCN spoke exclusively to some of the theatrists, and they said, including the theatrists, about their happiness over this announcement. The theatrists, including the theatre fraternity, passed through difficult times during the pandemic, but looks like it is the return of the good days.
Reacting on opening of theatre is a welcome move. लोक रावले आसतले, केन्ना तियात्र पळयतले, सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळ्यो सुरू जातले आनी ते केन्ना एन्जॉय जातले पळय ते. पूण भितरल्यान तांकां भिरांत आसा. ही कोवीड दुयेंस व्हडें आमकां परत लागत गाय. ताका लागून जायते जाण वचोंक भितरले, पूण जायते जाण कुयदाद घेवन हो तियात्र पळोवपाक रावले आसतले. आतां एकूच मागणें, जे कोण हॉलाचे कारभारी आसात तांणी ते बरे भाशेन सांबाळूंक जाय.
तियात्र जावन आसा आमचे गोंयचे दायज, आनी हांव खूब खुशाल की 1st ऑफ सप्टेंबर तियात्र ओपन जाता म्हणून. आनी हो जाय आसलो कित्याक एंटरटेनमेंट कमी जाला. एंटरटेनमेंट आमकां जाय, आनी एंटरटेनमेंटा खातीर लोक येतले, ते सोशल डिस्टन्सान बसतले, SOP फॉलो करतले, आनी हें आमकां जाय आसलें. आनी खुबशे तियात्रिस्ट आमकां पत्ते एक्टींग करता ते आमकां पळोवंक मेवतले. तर ही एक खोशयेची गजाल, आनी म्हाका डेफिनेटली जाय तियात्र पत्ते येयल्ले. हांव ल्हान आसतना सावन तियात्रूच पळोवन वाडला, आनी पत्तो तियात्र पळयतलो. आनी डेफिनेटली सगळ्यांनी येवचें आनी तियात्र पळोवचें, सोशल डिस्टन्सान बसचें, आनी तियात्र एंटरटेनमेंट फॉर्म एन्जॉय करचो.
म्हज्या हिसपान 50% जावं ओ फूल 100% जावं, पूण खोशी पयली तियात्र कॉमर्स जातात म्हणून वी कॅन गो अहेड विथ 50%. व्हडलें कास्ट करूंक तर मेवचें ना, कित्याक हॉलाचे पयशे आसतात ते भरोंक जाय. हॉलांनी तियात्र करतात जाल्यार हॉलाचे कितें रिड्यूस केलें जाल्यार आनी गव्हर्मेंटान फायदो जावपाचो. पूण कांय नजो कॉस्ट आमच्यांनी थोडे आर्टिस्ट घालून थोडे रिड्यूस करूंक जाता. व्हडले मेगा कास्ट करून न्हय, पूण थोडे कास्ट करून आमी तियात्र सुरू करूंक जाता.
I believe that theatre is such an art that contributes a lot to the culture of Goa. I would appeal to the government and to the Theatre Academy of Goa to lend their helping hand towards the artists and the directors who are about to put forth their theatras. But an advice to all the spectators who are attending the theaters, that when you come for the theaters, please sanitize yourself, take your own precautions. Just take care of yourselves, but at the same time, let's encourage theaters to show some hope, and let's get going with theaters back again once again.
थियात्र स्टार्ट तरी जाऊ दी, एक सुरवात मेळों दी, आणि ती सुरवात मेळतकच जावं 50%, एक सुरवात मेळतकच मागीर आमच्यान फुडें कितें पावलां मारूंक जाय ताचेर चिंतूंक जाता. न्हू, जेन्ना तियात्राची हॉलां आमी बूक करतात तेन्ना एक रिक्वेस्ट आसा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन बी, जेन्ना ही हॉलांक उमकी रेट आसा 50% स्लॅश डावन करूंक जायना जाल्यार एटलिस्ट 75% रेट उणी करून जे नवे डायरेक्टर ओ जे तियात्र करूंक सोदतात, कित्याक तांकांय बरोवचो ना तियात्र पळोवपी हॉलांत येतले, आमचे तियात्र वयल्यान आमचो देस्पेस तरी सुट्टलो ही तांकां खात्री ना. तर तांकां एक सपोर्ट कसो, एक आदार कसो गव्हर्मेंटानूय हॉलाचे रेंटा बाबतींत चिंतचें.
The health department has said that it has received 16 more results of genomic sequencing, of which one case has been detected of COVID-19 Delta Plus variant. One of the sample of the COVID patients, which was sent to National Center for Cell Science in July this year, tested positive for COVID. The patient is from South Goa, whose samples was positive for Delta Plus and had completely recovered now. Watch.
तुवें जे म्हटलें जे डेल्टा प्लसची रिपोर्ट जाला म्हटलं पळय, आमकां काल 16 सॅम्पल्सचे रिजल्ट्स आयले जेनोमिक सिक्वेन्सचे फ्रॉम NCCS पुणे, आनी ह्या 16 सॅम्पलांतलो 2 सॅम्पल जे आसा डेल्टा आसा, एक सॅम्पल डेल्टा प्लस आसा, 6 सॅम्पल्स पॉझिटिव्ह फॉर कापा, आनी 7 सॅम्पल्स जे अदर सब लिनेजीस ऑफ डेल्टा आसा पळय ताजे आसा. सो दॅट इज टोटल 16. आणि ह्याच्या बरोबर आमचे जो टोटल काउंट आसा सेकंड वेव खातीर म्युटेशनाचो तो आयला 278. 278तले डेल्टा जे आसा ते 208 आसा, काप्पा आसा ते 16 आसा, डेल्टा प्लस 1 आसा, आल्फा 1 आनी अदर सब लिनेजीस 52 आसा. सो इवन हो जो आमी जेन्ना फिगर पळयता तेन्ना पळयता की आतां जे डेल्टा आनी जे अदर सब लिनेजीस पुट टुगेदर, डेल्टा इज द मेजर म्युटेशन ऑर अ वेरियंट विच इज प्रेझेंट, आनी इट इज प्रेझेंट इवन नाव. आनी आमी जशें फाटल्या दिसांनी पयलें मे आनी जूनच्या पयल्यान डेल्टा ह्या वेरियंटा खातीर आमकां एक ह्यूज पीक आयलो आनी तो तसोच सामको सकयल आयलो. पूण आजुनूय तसो सकयल आयला, पूण आमचो आजुनूय सकयल सामको नॉर्मल लेवलाचेर येवना. जसो आमी लास्ट वेवान पयलो आमच्यो केसीस हॅड गॉन डावन इवन टू अरावंड 30 केसीस पर डे. म्हटल्यार टोटल फॅमिली मेंबर्स ऑर कॉन्टॅक्ट्स जर पळयले जाल्यार अरावंड 6 पीपल पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्ले आसा. आनी जे पॉझिटिव्ह जाल्या फॅमिली मेंबर्स तातूंतले फक्त 2 जाणांक सिम्पटम्स दिसली, व्हेरी मायल्ड सिम्पटम्स, अँड ऑल अदर्स वेर असिम्पटोमॅटीक. सगळे जे 6 जाण आसा तांचे आफ्टर होम आयसोलेशन सगळे रिकवर जाल्यात. विदीन दोज 10 days टायम जावचो आसा पळय होम आयसोलेशन, ताच्या भितर ते रिकवर जाले. बरी गजाल म्हटल्यार ह्या फॅमिलींतले 6 जाण वॅक्सिनेटेड आशिल्ले, आनी 5 जाणांनी फर्स्ट डोस घेतिल्लो आनी एकट्यान सेकंड डोस सुद्दां घेतिल्लो, फुल्ली वॅक्सिनेटेड. All have recovered. There is one history that the family members had travelled to Maharashtra and they had come back.
In a letter to GSIDC, Goenka Awas has demanded an investigation to fix accountability in a view of shocking and rapid deterioration and constant closure of the relatively new Atal Setu Bridge. The cable-stayed bridge, marketed as an engineering marvel, ironically has turned into a bridge of shame, showcasing instead shabby, substandard, and apparently poorly supervised work, which seems to have become the hallmark of project executed by GSIDC. HCN spoke to Goenka Awas Supremo Captain Viriato over this letter.
2 वर्सां पयलीं हो जो केबल स्टेड ब्रिज which was hailed as a इंजिनियरींग मावल आयज जावन आसा अ हॉलमार्क ऑफ शेम. 2 वर्सां पयलीं लोक बोबाड मारताले, न्यूजपेपरांचेर पत्रांचेर सगळे येताले की बाबा तो रेडी ना, इनकम्प्लीट आसा. बट कांय कारणांक लागून इनॉग्रेट केलो. लोकसभा इलेक्शन येताले, वोट्स आशिल्ले, बेगीन बेगीन इनॉग्रेट केलो. ह्या ब्रिजाचो इनिशियल कॉस्ट आशिल्लो 385 crore एस्टिमेट जाल्लो आनी कंप्लीट जाता म्हळ्यार इट वेंट टू 581 crore. म्हणजे पळय हातून कोणे पयशे खाले. हे पळय GSIDC पळय आसा एजन्सी हॅज बिकम एन एपिटोम ऑफ करप्शन. आतां ब्रिज बंद केला रिपेर करपाक. व्हडले पॉटल्स पडलेले आसा, मॅसीव फॉल्ट्स इन द ब्रिज. March 2021 the bridge was closed for 4 days ओल्ड गोवा पर्वरी सायडीक रिपेर करपाक. May 2021 साऊथ सायड रॅम्प जो आसा दॅट स्टार्टेड सिंकींग इन द माशी लँड. हें GSIDC खबर नाशिल्लें, हें L&T खबर नाशिल्लें. जो कन्सल्टंट आसा TPF इंजिनियरींग प्रायवेट लिमिटेड हांकां खबर नाशिल्लें थंय माशी लँड आसा म्हूण दॅट थिंग वील सिंक. हें वर्साच्या वर्सा तेंच जाता. सेटलमेंट एन्युअल सेटलमेंट प्रॉब्लेम म्हूण. ताच्या पयलीं एप्रील 2020 मेर्शे सायडीक आम आसा ताका लागून ब्रिज बंद उडयल्लो. म्हणजे ह्या 2 वर्सांनी आमी पळयता इतले रिपेराक लागून ब्रिज तर बंद करता जाल्यार दॅट मिन्स देर इज मॅसीव फॉल्ट वेदर इन डिझायन, वेदर इन क्वॉलिटी ऑर वेदर इन सुपरविजन. ही GSIDCन आमकां लस केल्लेली आसा. इवन आतां तो हायकोर्ट जो आसा इनिशियल कॉस्ट वॉज समथींग अरावंड 92 crore, आतां पावला 182 crore. म्हणजे पळया तुमी, दीस इज अ केस ऑफ ऑडिटींग बिकॉज 10% वयर तर वचत इट इज सब्जेक्ट टू ऑडिटींग. सो पयशे कोणे घाले, इट इज मोर दॅन 100% इनक्रीज इन द कॉस्ट. हुज मनी इज दीस? इट इज आर मनी, द टॅक्स पेयर्स मनी. हे सगळे आमचे टॅक्सांनी तुमी पयशे घेता ऑन एवरीथींग आनी हे कोणाच्या बॉल्सान वेता. आनी दॅट इज वाय वी आर हॅव्हिंग दीज मॅसीव फॉल्ट्स. करप्शन इज द रूट कॉज ऑफ ऑल द प्रॉब्लेम्स. आमी एक लेटर बरयल्ली आसा GSIDCक. वी हॅव ऑफर्ड आर सर्विसीस. आमचे मेंबर जे इंजिनियर्स आसा, एक्सपिरियन्स्ड इंजिनियर्स, वी वील जॉइन युअर टीम. एक जॉईंट टीम फॉर्म करूया. GSIDC, PWD, L&T, TPF सगळे येऊन वी वील गाईड यू ऑल. वी वील शो यू हाऊ टू फाइंड द फॉल्ट.
Gokulashtami, which is also known as Janmashtami, is celebrated every year to mark the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna. As per the Hindu calendar, Lord Krishna, an avatar of Lord Vishnu, was born on the 8th day of the month of Bhadra. The days mostly falls in the month of August or September as per the Western calendar.
बोलो कृष्ण भगवान की जय. कृष्ण भगवान की जय.
फाटल्या वर्सा कोविड आशिल्ल्यान आमी तो सामको कमी प्रमाणात मनयल्लो म्हणून मातशें रिलॅक्सेशन आशिल्ल्यान सगळे निर्बंध पाळून आमी हो आयज हांगासर साजरो करतात. हातूंत ल्हान ल्हान भुरग्यां खातीर आमी स्पर्धा घेतिल्ली आसा, खास राधा कृष्णाची. ताजे उपरांत आतां चलयां खातीर दही अंडा जातलो, ल्हान भुरग्यां खातीर दही अंडा जातलो आनी मागीर बाकीच्या खातीर सगळ्यां खातीर दही अंडा जातलो. हांगासर सुमार 350-400 फ्लॅट्स आसात आनी हांगासर जे सगळे रहिवासी आसा ते सगळे मोठ्या उत्साहान ह्या सगळ्या सणांनी सगळ्यो ज्यो परबो आमी हांगासर मनयतात तातूंत 15 ऑगस्ट जावं, मागीर 26 जानेवारी, 19 डिसेंबर, आतां नवरात्री येतली आनी आज दही अंडा हातूंत सगळे जाण मोठ्या प्रमाणात वांटो घेतात.
हातूंत क्रिस्तांव आनी मुस्लिमूय आसात.
सगळे मुस्लीम आसा बांधव आमचे आनी क्रिस्तांवूय बांधव आसा. ते शिवाय बाकीचे वेगवेगळे स्टेटींतले लोक हांगासर रावतात, वेगवेगळ्या धर्माचे आसात. पूण हांगासर सगळे जाण मोठ्या संख्येन आनी मोठ्या हिरिरीन वांटो घेवन सगळे जाण आमचेच देवश्री विलेज म्हटल्यार जाता अशे पद्दतीन आमी हे सण सगळे दर वर्सा वर्सभरूय साजरे करतात.
Now, for the weather update, Goa will witness heavy to moderate rainfall over the next 24 hours, says the IMD. The IMD has also predicted that there is a possibility of heavy rain accompanied with thunder, lightning, and showers. And now, we end this news bulletin with Cartoon of the Day image. Thank you for watching HC, and that's all we have in today's news bulletin. For more alerts, please do follow us at O Heraldo on Twitter and Facebook. Until then, goodbye.